Welcome to our first episode on the Ramayana. In this journey, we will explore the Bala Kanda, the childhood of Lord Rama, in simple and meaningful language. This series will not just tell you stories but also the deep lessons behind them. Let's begin the purpose of the Ramayana. This great epic was written by Sage Valmiki after a very emotional experience. One day, he saw a pair of birds singing lovingly. Suddenly, a hunter killed one of them. The surviving bird cried out in pain, deeply moved. Valmiki cursed the hunter with a shloka. This became the first verse of the Ramayana. He was amazed by the power of emotion that flowed into the verse. Then Sage Narada visited him. Valmiki asked, "Who is the greatest man living right now? Who is perfect in every way? Brave, kind, wise, and truthful?" Narada replied, "It was Lord Rama, the Prince of Ayodhya." He then narrated the summary of Rama's life. Valmiki was inspired to write the Ramayana, an epic of Dharma, love, and sacrifice to guide generations to come. Now, let's travel to the beautiful city of Ayodhya, ruled by King Dasharatha. He was loved by his people and ruled wisely. He had three queens, Kausalya, Kaikeyi, and Sumitra. But the king had one deep sorrow. He had no children. He longed for a son who would carry forward his name and continue his righteous rule. Dasharatha consulted his wise ministers and sages. They all advised him to perform a sacred fire ritual called Putrakameshti Yagna, a ritual meant to bless childless parents with children. Great sage Rishasaringa was invited to perform the Yagna. The Yagna was performed with devotion. From the fire rose a divine being glowing with power. He held a golden bowl of kheer, a sweet rice pudding blessed by the gods. He said, "This is prasad from the gods. Share it with your queens and you shall have a divine children." Dasharatha gave half of the kheer to Kausalya, a quarter to Kaikeyi, and the remaining quarter to Sumitra. Since Sumitra ate the prasad twice, she would give birth to twins. Soon the three queens became pregnant and the kingdom rejoiced. The stars aligned, flowers bloomed, and the divine music filled the air. It was as if the nature itself was celebrating. On the 9th day of the Chaitra month, Queen Kausalya gave birth to Rama, a divine incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Kaikeyi gave birth to Bharata, and Saumitri gave birth to the twins Lakshmana and Shatrughna. Ayodhya lit up with joy. People danced and sang in the streets. The gods themselves blessed the newborns. The birth of Rama was not just a royal moment, but a divine turning point in the history. It was the beginning of a life that would go on to teach the world values of truth, duty, compassion, and Dharma. Let's pause here and reflect. This episode teaches us that when we seek something with pure intention and when the timing is right, the universe responds in magical ways. Dasharatha's deep longing combined with his faith and efforts led to the birth of Rama. The same principle applies to our lives. If our desires are rooted in goodness and we take action with faith, the universe supports us. This was the first step in the divine journey of Ramayana. In the next episode, we will see how the young princes grow up and how Sage Vishwamitra enters their lives to start their training in Dharma. If you enjoyed this episode, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Your support helps us spread the wisdom of Sanatana Dharma to more hearts around the people. Jai Shri Ram.